Hey, if you struggle with ADHD in your business and actually getting shit done, then you have come to the right place. I'm Ian Tenenbaum, and I'm the founder of Accountable, a coaching program and community for high achievers, entrepreneurs, and professionals with ADHD like you. I've spent my entire career learning what it means to build a business. And now, recently, in the last few years, I've made the connection between ADHD and my business journey. I'm now able to transform the lives of my clients with these proven systems that I've developed, and now I'm sharing them all with you for free. So come to this workshop. We're going to be learning one part of my larger Accountable program, which is the ADHD Productivity Operating System. It's going to help you get out of your head, learn a few new skills that you can actually implement immediately and get more done with less stress and less overwhelm. So make sure to sign up and come. This is totally free and you're going to get a ton of value. So I hope to see you there.